Hey guys, welcome back. So Instagram is evolving. It's added a lot of features. It's recently added the video chat features and also the legendary IGTV. I already make a video on this. If you want to check it out, there's a link below. But at the end of the day, it uses a lot of storage on your smartphone. Even in my case, it literally uses 235 megabits on my smartphone, which is, in my opinion, is really huge. It's probably not a storage problem for a lot of phones, but still, yes, it uses a lot of storage. So that's why we needed a Lite application. And guys, this is where Instagram Lite comes in. So Instagram just unveiled Instagram Lite, but the problem is that it's only available on Mexico on Play Store. But we all know Android supports APKs, which makes us that you can download it on your phone right now wherever you are living. The process is pretty easy. You just need to go to the description and go into the link that I'm going to give you below. Just open this up and you go all the way down and tap that download link button, and all you think is done. So yep, let's check it out what this application is looking out. Before going into, the first thing I want to talk is, you can take it as a spoiler, the application is basically nothing but the mobile website version of the Instagram, which you can also make by going instagram.com on your Chrome and just put it on your home screen. Yes, that is that easy. Currently the application is capable, but it's buggy. There is no direct feature, which is weird. I don't know why, but all the apps looks pretty modern and pretty similar to it. And when you tap that plus button, you can take a photo, choose from the gallery, and it's got a video coming soon. So videos doesn't available at all. Then you get your profile, just like you get, as you can see, it's slow, a lot of slow, but whatever it goes. So you get all of your settings that you get on the application. Yeah, it's pretty done, but it's still, I'm gonna say it's not complete. Like think about it, when you tap on a story, like in this case, you can see it's load for a long time, and after that it's open the stuff. But yeah, it goes around, but still, as just mentioned, it doesn't work that well. It's just a tiny bit of slow in my opinion. Like when you reload this application, you can see it's all get blank and then just whole reload. So it's basically just the browser version of the application, so not too much there. You can just go to Chrome and search instagram.com and put it like that. But yes, it's go around. It only takes really small, like 20, it just only take 23 to 30 megabits on my phone, which is really nice, whereas the Instagram apps take huge, like 300 megabits, even more. So yep, I recommend it, not now, but probably in the future when the application get more features like video. You cannot post video with it at all, which is a deal breaker for a lot of people. You cannot chat with it, which also might be a deal breaker for a lot of people, and yes, it is. So yep, thanks for watching guys. This is Instagram Lite, a total little hands-on on how you can download it on your Android phone. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like that, give it a subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.